Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming basics. If the battery is under 20% plug-in, and wait 5 minutes. Once powered, remove the case and inspect the USB port for debris. Foreign particles cause shorts. Now you back up essential data to cloud or PC so you can restore easily if you must reset later. Next, perform a soft reset by holding power with volume down for 10 to 15 seconds. This clears transient hangs without erasing data, which often stops auto restarts. Once done with a soft reset, boot into safe mode to isolate third-party apps. Press power, then long press power off, and confirm safe mode. In safe mode, you remove or disable recently installed apps that might trigger kernel crashes, uninstall the worst offenders, and clear their cache or app data from settings. Make sure to check software update under System. Outdated firmware or security patches can cause watchdog restarts. If an update is available, install it now and reboot to see if the issue persists. If the phone still auto restarts after updates in safe mode, perform a factory reset only after confirming your backup. Go to Settings, System, Reset, and erase all data. This removes problematic system apps and settings. Once done, if behavior continues, connect to Huawei High Suite on a PC and use the recovery or firmware repair function to reflash official software. This fixes corrupted partitions. If that fails, make sure to contact authorized service. A failing battery or motherboard can mimic restart.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.